In this video, I'm going to show you 5 important tips you need to know when starting your YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to learn step-by-step guide to become a successful YouTuber in 1 year. Below are the 5 important tips you need to take very seriously when you start a YouTube channel. Number 1, your title. Your title is an important part of your YouTube channel. With a wrong title, you will not be discovered on YouTube. To get more discoveries and more reach, you need to select the right title. Title is the key to become successful in YouTube. I've seen many videos become successful just because of a catchy title or a clickbait title. So when picking a title, choose title that have search intents. Make sure you make your research before choosing any title. Number 2, make videos for every length. What I mean here is create 1 minute video, create 2 minute video, create 3 minute video, create 4 minute video up to 10 minute video. You might say, what is the reason for creating this many content? The reason is in YouTube itself. YouTube ranks videos based on how long you can keep a viewer on your YouTube video. But starting a YouTube channel, you do not know how long you can keep a user on your YouTube video. So the suggestion I'm giving, make various length of YouTube video and look at the average time a user spends on your video. When you've known the average time a user spends on your video, produce video for such length. So in my channel, the average time a user spends on each of my video is about 5 minutes. That is the reason why majority of my videos are 5 minutes long. The more I become better in producing video and making good content, I will increase my watch time. So this is the number 2 suggestion to become successful in YouTube. Remember, do not feel bad if your average time is below 2 minutes. If your average time is about 1 minute or 2 minutes, consistently produce YouTube videos that are 1 minute or 2 minutes. With time, you can improve how long your video is based on the average time users spend on a YouTube video. Number 3, focus on impressions instead of subscribers. Impressions tells you how many times YouTube have shown your videos to a number of people. You might have 1,000 impressions and 9% click-through rate. This means for every 1,000 persons YouTube show your video to, only about 99% click on them. Focus on creating videos to increase your impressions. Make sure you are using good titles that are searchable. The more videos you have with good title, the more impressions you will have. Create more videos so that you have more impressions. More impressions equals more views. Continue to create valuable content so that your click-through rate will increase. So a good click-through rate is above 20%. When you create videos, look for ways to increase your click-through rate to about 20%. One way you can do that is by using nice thumbnail. With good thumbnail, you can increase your click-through rate. As a new YouTuber, do not focus on subscribers. Subscribers is just a way of a user telling YouTube that they trust your channel. At the beginning, because you do not have a lot of videos, nobody can testify to that, whether they should trust you or not. But consistently producing videos week in, week out, will at time in future make people start trusting your channel. And as soon as people begin trusting your channel, you will see subscribers increasing day by day. Number 4, choose a niche. With the help of a niche, your audience will be able to know when to come to you and what answers they are going to get when they come to you. With the help of your niche, you'll be able to target a specific audience. This audience will be able to trust you and you'll be able to get more engagement in your channel. You'll be able to increase your likes and also your subscribers if you focus on one niche. Number 5, to be successful in YouTube, you need to be positive. One way you show that you are positive is by liking and subscribing to other people's YouTube channel. If you found my content helpful in any way, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. This will serve as an encouragement for me to produce better content and become better in the future. Thank you for sticking around. See you in the next video.